Being a project manager is a busy job, no doubt. But by utilizing the best tools, processes, and professional advice, it can be one of the most rewarding careers. Here are 5 ways you can be a smart project manager. 1. Set goals and priorities for the projects and reevaluate them frequently. If you don't have something to work backwards from, planning and managing become very hard. Know what you're working towards by setting SMART goals and even project checkpoints if it makes sense. 2. Use a consistent estimating and scoping process. Regardless of which project management processes you use, make sure you're using the same process for all projects. This will help deter any confusion from yourself, your team, and the client, and it will keep things running smoothly. 3. Use helpful/supplemental PM tools. Your company may already be invested in a specific project management tool for estimating, scheduling, and delegating. However, there is nothing wrong with using some smaller, supplemental tools to help keep you organized as well. 4. Delegate properly. It's important to remember to involve the right people in the right project. For example, if you're working on a website project, you'll probably want to defer to the designer or web developer on your team for specific parts. Don't think you should know everything. Put your trust in the people around you and assign tasks to the right people for the job. 5. Ensure everyone is in agreement with the plan. Make sure all team members and clients have seen and understand it. If there is any pushback or any questions, make sure you listen carefully and deliver a clear explanation. Pro tip: support your team no matter what. If they need help, give it to them. If they have opinions that challenge yours, listen to them. Your team doesn't work for you, they work with you. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos from Techcanvass.